are the design details in your floor plan of your home? Do you have stairs? Do you have a bedroom over a garage? Do you have a dining room table that can be seen from the front door when you open the door? Do you have a bathroom in the center of your house? All of the design details in your home influence your life right now and what you can expect in the future. Now, I know that might sound far-fetched to you, but I have been doing this for 15 years, and I have seen many things change. Let me give you an example. I was working with a gentleman who was having a lot of problems in his marriage, and when I looked at the area of his home where his self-confidence should be, there was nothing there. Not a picture, not a piece of furniture, just an empty space. I could ask questions when I saw that based on what I saw, and we revealed what was going on in his life. With remedies, we were able to change that and create the kind of relationship and communication that he really wanted. I can see the problems and challenges that you have based on reading the flow of energy in your floor plan. And those design details that I see that limit you and block you from living your best life all have a remedy. Even the most difficult design details have a solution. I'm going to show you a floor plan and give you an example of the questions I would ask based on what I see in this floor plan. This is a floor plan of a one-bedroom house. This is Nancy Dadami, floor plan detective. A flow reading of your floor plan. So when we look at a floor plan, the energy comes in through the front door right here, and this is the street. When you draw your own floor plan, it's really good to put your address on here as well, because that claims the energy of your space. So when the energy comes in the front door, wherever your eyes go, that's where the energy goes. So when the energy comes in this door, front door, to me, the first place it goes is up in here to the dining room and into the kitchen, because this is the big wide open space, and then it flows into the living room, bedroom, and bathroom. So if I was doing a floor plan reading here, these are the questions that I might ask someone. There's three things that are problematic in this floor plan right off the bat. One is the dining room table visible from the front door, the stove visible from the front door, and the location of the bathroom. So these are the questions I would ask just seeing those three things. Is there someone in the home that has some kind of heart trouble? Either physical, could be a valve issue, could be high blood pressure, could be high cholesterol, congestive heart failure, something like that, or an emotional heart problem like a broken heart or being hardened over and afraid to trust in love. Again, another question I would ask is digestion problems. Is there IBS problems, diverticulitis, or problems digesting life the way it is right now? Another area, is there unresolved problems in business, family, or health? Ongoing issues with business, family, or health. Is there some kind of a chronic illness? with someone, one or more members of the family that live in this home. And is someone food oriented? They like to cook, they love to eat, or maybe they have weight problems. Either they're too thin or they're too heavy. And that is brought on by the dining table and the stove being able to be seen from the front door. And the other thing is there difficulty making or holding on to money? So these are the design details that impact the residents of this home. I wonder what the design details of your home show about you and your life. So you want to remember there's a remedy for everything. So when you have a flow reading of your floor plan, not only do we discuss the issues that are visible in your floor plan, we also discuss the remedies and the things you can put in place to bring the flow back to a healthy state so that you can have the life that you deserve or desire. This is Nancy Dadami,